Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something completely different from the usual online money-making strategies. Forget dropshipping from China or selling on Amazon. We're going to talk about becoming a micro-export detective. This is about finding unique, local products that international buyers are desperately searching for and building a profitable business around them. What is micro-export detection? Think of yourself as a treasure hunter, but instead of looking for gold, you're searching for everyday items in your local area that could be worth significantly more in other countries. These aren't necessarily expensive items. They can be snacks, beauty products, crafts, or even seemingly ordinary items that are either unavailable or much more expensive in other countries. Why this business model works? Let me break down why this business model is so powerful, low competition. Most online entrepreneurs are focused on importing from China or dropshipping trending products. Very few people are looking in their own backyard for export opportunities built in authenticity. You're selling genuine local products that can't be easily replicated or dropshipped by competitors. Sustainable margins. Because you're often the first person to identify these opportunities, you can maintain healthy profit margins without a race to the bottom. Scalable business. You can start with just one product and gradually expand your product line as you identify more opportunities. Real-world example. Let me share a real example I discovered. In my area, there's a local candy maker who produces unique maple sugar candies. Through research, I found that these candies sell for $3 per pack locally, but can fetch $12 to $15 in Japan, where maple-flavored treats are highly sought after. The shipping costs about $4 per pack, leaving a healthy profit margin of $5 to $8 per unit. What made this opportunity special wasn't just the price difference. It was the fact that Japanese consumers specifically value authentic North American maple products, and these candies weren't available through major retailers in Japan. How to find your first product. Step 1. Local research. Start by visiting local markets and craft fairs, small specialty food producers, local artisans and craftspeople, regional specialty stores, family-owned businesses with unique products. Take photos and notes about unique products, especially those that have cultural significance, use local ingredients or materials, have unique packaging or designs, are difficult to mass produce, have a compelling story behind them. Step 2. International demand research. Here's how to identify international demand. I use these tools: Google Trends, eBay sold listings, Etsy international sales data, social media hashtag research, Reddit community research. We look for these indicators: high prices for similar items in international markets, limited availability in target countries, positive comments and requests from international buyers, cultural connections or trends that make your product appealing. Finding your target market. The key is to match your product with the right market. Consider cultural alignment. Does your product align with the target country's interests? Is there a cultural connection that makes your product more valuable? Economic factors. Can the target market afford your product plus shipping? What's the disposable income level in your target country? Logistics. Is shipping to this country reasonable? Are there any import restrictions? Competition. How many others are selling similar products? What are their prices and shipping costs? Setting up your business. Legal requirements. Register your business. Obtain necessary export permits. Understand international shipping regulations. Set up a business bank account. Research target country import requirements. Supplier relationships. Approach local businesses professionally. Explain your international business model. Negotiate bulk pricing. Establish reliable ordering and pickup systems. Create backup supplier relationships. Online presence. Create a professional website. Set up social media accounts. Join relevant online communities. Create content showing product authenticity. Build an email list. Pricing strategy. Your pricing formula should include product cost, packaging materials, shipping costs, customs fees, platform fees, marketing costs, your profit margin. Pro tip: start with a higher margin than you think you need. It's easier to lower prices than to raise them. Marketing your products. Content strategy. Show the local origin of products. Share behind the scenes content of sourcing. Tell the story of the makers. Demonstrate product quality and authenticity. Share customer testimonials. Marketing channels. Instagram focus on visual storytelling. YouTube, Pinterest, Facebook groups for expatriates, niche forums and communities. Scaling your business. Once you've proven your concept with one product, expand your product line within the same category. Look for complementary products. Explore additional target markets. Invest in automation and systems. Build a team for packaging and shipping. Common pitfalls to avoid: don't commit to large inventory without testing. Avoid products that can spoil or damage easily. Be careful with seasonal products. Don't ignore shipping insurance. Watch out for changing import regulations. Success tips: start small and test thoroughly. Build strong relationships with suppliers. Document everything for content creation. Focus on customer service. Keep learning about your target market. Case studies: Success story 1, local tea blend. Found unique local tea blend. Identified demand in European market. Built relationship with tea maker. Created compelling brand story. Now shipping 500 plus packages monthly. Success story 2, handmade crafts. Discovered local artisan. Found niche market in Australia. Created authentication system. Built premium brand. Generated $8,000 plus monthly revenue. Action steps: this week, visit 3 local markets or shops. Identify 5 potential products. Research international demand. Contact potential suppliers. Create your business plan. Remember, the key to success in micro exporting is thinking locally but acting globally. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. You just need to find products that already exist in your area and connect them with the right international market. If you liked this video and found it helpful, subscribe for more unique business ideas and comment below with your thoughts on micro exporting. Stay curious, keep exploring, and I'll see you in the next video.